The 9th of Muharram had arrived. The desert of Karbala was quiet, but everyone could feel that a major moment was approaching. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Days of hardship had already passed. The camp of Imam Hussain had remained patient through every difficulty. Now the situation was becoming more serious. On the 9th of Muharram, preparations were being made for what would happen next. The companions of Imam Hussain remained by his side. They knew that the path ahead would not be easy, yet they stayed firm. They did not abandon their principles, they did not abandon their leader, and most importantly, they did not abandon their trust in Allah. According to historical reports, when the opposing forces prepared to advance, Imam Hussain requested that they allow one more night. Why? Because he wanted to spend the night in worship. He wanted to pray to Allah. He wanted to recite the Quran. He wanted to make dua and remember his Lord. Subhanallah. Think about that for a moment. When many people face a difficult situation, they become distracted by fear. But Imam Hussain turned towards Allah. He sought strength through prayer. He sought peace through worship. He sought comfort through remembrance of Allah. This teaches us a powerful lesson. When life becomes difficult, where do we turn? Do we turn towards Allah, or do we allow our worries to take over? The 9th of Muharram reminds us that the strongest hearts are the hearts connected to Allah. As the sun began to set, the camp prepared for the night ahead. Families gathered together. Companions stood beside one another, and everyone knew that this would be a special night, a night of worship, a night of reflection, a night that would be remembered throughout history. But before that night began, something else became clear: the loyalty of the companions. They had every opportunity to leave, yet they chose to stay, not because of wealth, not because of worldly gain, but because they believed in truth and wanted to stand beside Imam Hussain. Their actions showed that real loyalty is proven during difficult times. Anyone can support a person when life is easy, but true loyalty appears when sacrifice is required. The 9th of Muharram teaches us many lessons. It teaches us to turn towards Allah during hardship. It teaches us to value prayer and worship. And it teaches us that true friends are those who remain beside us during difficult times. As the night approached, the people of Karbala prepared themselves through faith, patience, and remembrance of Allah. And that blessed night would become one of the most memorable nights in Islamic history. May Allah make us among those who remember Him during times of ease and hardship. May He strengthen our faith and keep our hearts attached to prayer and the Quran. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.